Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm super excited to share this with you guys, but I'm going to be doing a Too Faced haul, and pretty much all of this stuff I got when I visited their headquarters. I got to do a little tour of their offices, and it was so awesome. They have like themed rooms around their like palettes and collections, and if you guys want to see a little sneak peek of that, I will leave my vlog down below where I showed you guys some of the rooms and stuff. But it was such a good experience, and at the end of the tour they gifted me a few products that I didn't have, which was super sweet of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. A lot of you guys requested to see this, so here it is. Also, side note, this makeup look is kind of intense today. I actually did this photo for Instagram. It's like a festival themed look. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's at Leah Janae. I post usually all my makeup details on there, so make sure you're following. But anyways, let's get into the haul. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is so cute. These are the Too Faced brushes, and I actually had no clue that they had a brush collection. The only brush I've tried from them is like their unicorn brush from the unicorn collection. But this is called the Pro Essential Teddy Bear Hair Brush Set. And in here you get a powder brush, all over shadow brush, a contour brush, blender brush, and a liner brush. These are cruelty free. They're made of luxurious synthetic hair that is soft and silky as traditional animal hair, but without any of the cruelty involved in making traditional brushes. And they just call it teddy bear hair, which is super cute. Next, I picked up a palette. I think this is the only palette I don't own from Too Faced so far, but this is the Too Faced White Peach palette. It says this is a multi-dimensional eyeshadow palette infused with peach and sweet fig cream, and the packaging is just like the Just Peachy mattes, but themed around the white peach. So since it's called the white peach, it's kind of more of like a pastels kind of palette. Here is what it looks like. And I've used it a few times so far. It's like okay. I'm not like super impressed with the quality of this one. I do think some of their other palettes are better, but I've definitely had fun playing with it. I really like this glistening peach shade over here, and these peachy pink mattes are also really good. So I've been playing with it a little bit, but let me know if you guys want like a full-on actual review on this palette. But I do think it's going to be suited for more fair skin tones. Alright, next product in here we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, but this is actually the waterproof version, which is super cool because the packaging actually has little water droplets on it. It's so pretty. Here is what it looks like, and again with the water droplets, it's just so cute. I love the texture of it. And I'm definitely excited to try this out. I've actually wanted to use a more waterproof mascara on my lower lash line because my mascara keeps transferring onto my under eye, which has been bothering me like crazy. So I'm hoping I will really like this mascara. We also got to try a brow pencil. This is the Chocolate Brownie 12-Hour Wear Cocoa Powder Brow Pencil in the shade Taupe. And these actually do smell like chocolate, which is awesome. So here's what that looks like. And it smells seriously so good, you guys. So excited to try that. I feel like no one talks about any of their brow products. We also have a bronzer from them. This one I was really excited to try. This one is the Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer, and this was part of their Chocolate Gold collection. You guys know I love my Chocolate Gold palette, but I just never picked up the bronzer because I didn't actually know if I would like it because of the shimmer, but the packaging is beautiful. It opens up like this, and then you have your bronzer. This is the swatch of it. It's beautiful. I feel like this works for more light and medium skin tones, and you can't really see the gold in it, or it's not super shimmery, so I'm really happy with this, and it's just super smooth and super creamy. So that is the Chocolate Gold bronzer. I also picked out one of their Love Flush blushes. I had this when they first came out, and it's been a while, so I actually decluttered that one because it was getting old, but I wanted to have it in my life again because this was my favorite color. It's called Love Hangover, and it's like this really pretty peachy pink. And I just used to wear this all of the time. I'm so excited to have it again, but here is what it looks like. It's beautiful. Next, we did get a foundation, the Born This Way foundation, and I'm actually really happy to have this one again. I used to love it, but it got like super dewy for my skin, but my skin's actually changed a lot in the past couple of months, and I don't break out nearly as much anymore, and my skin's gotten a little bit more combination, so this actually is working wonderfully for me again. So I'm super happy I have it back in my life. I love this stuff. It's a really nice medium to pretty much, you can build it up to a full coverage, and it's definitely a more dewy foundation. It's not super matte or anything, but I love how my face looks with this on. Next, I did pick out some lippies, of course. I actually got a backup of my favorite peach gloss. This is the Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Papa Don't Peach. I do have this one, but I wear it so much that I needed to have another one because I don't want to run out. It's my favorite color. I also got a few of their melted mattes that I didn't have. I wanted to get some fun, bold colors. So I picked out Drop Dead Red, and I will go ahead and swatch these for you guys. These are one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. They just stay on so good, and they're not too drying. So this is Drop Dead Red. This will be so fun in the fall time. I really should have picked like some spring colors, but I was just feeling the vampy tones for some reason. I also got Lady Balls. I feel like this one is super popular. It's like their signature red. So here is Lady Balls. I also picked up this fun hot pink. There was only a couple left, so I did want to grab that one. This one is It's Happening. So there's It's Happening on the bottom. So next, I did get a backup of this bronzer from them. This is the Milk Chocolate Soleil. This one is my favorite. It's really good for light skin tones, and I'm almost out of my original one, so I definitely needed a backup. Here is what it looks like if you are curious. It's a really good one, and they smell so delicious. I'm actually really wanting to try their new reformulation of the bronzers. Let me know if you guys have tried them. That one was still the old formula. Next, I got another brush. Sorry, the box is a little squished. It was insane trying to pack this makeup in my suitcase. But this is called the Mr. Right Perfect Powder Brush. And this is so cool. So basically, this is supposed to be like a brush that you can use for multiple things. Like you only really need one. So basically, this little bow, it actually comes up and you can shape your brush how you want it. So if you want to use it, like I would probably do it a little bit for blush like this, and you can push it up more if you want to use it for like baking, and whatever you want to do, you can do it. So this is a super fun brush, and it's super cute with the little bow tie. So adorable. Also got a Kabuki brush. As you can see, I'm like all about the brushes here. I love Kabuki brushes. I use them in my purse all the time. So here is what that looks like. You just take the lid off and then twist it up, and it actually is just a twistable one, which is super handy. I also got a backup of the Hangover Rx Primer. This stuff is awesome. It smells like coconut, and this one's more of a moisturizing primer, which I've been really enjoying lately. Also got a backup of my Hangover 3-in-1 spray. I'm almost out of this one as well, which this one's awesome because you can use it as a primer and a setting spray, and it smells like coconuts as well. Some more lipsticks in here. This one is Wine Not from their Melted Mattes. Oh, this one's so pretty. There is Wine Not on the side. I love that shade. And then I got this super nude one, which I'm probably gonna wear like over top of darker ones to like lighten them up, because this is like nude. So this one is called Holy Chic, and there is a swatch. And then we got a shade of their Born This Way concealer. This one is more of a lighter coverage concealer, but it is very hydrating. I got the shade Fairest. I'll go ahead and open it for you, which I think this is the lightest shade. It's like super, super like almost white, which I thought would be fun for highlighting. And then a couple more things. I did pick up one of their sketch markers to try. I thought this would be a fun one for spring. And I don't really experiment that much with colored liner, but I think it could be fun. Ooh, it's pretty. It's like a melon pink. And then last but not least, I have this Mascara Melt Off, and it's a cleansing oil, and it's going to dissolve your waterproof mascara to make it easier to get that off of your lashes. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So if you guys struggle, maybe you guys just use makeup wipes to take off your makeup and your mascara is still on, you could use this first and take it off with some water and then go in with your makeup wipe to get the rest of your makeup off. Alright, so that is everything I got from Too Faced at their headquarters. I'm so grateful for all these things. Too Faced has been amazing to me. You guys know how much I love them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I'll have my vlog linked down below if you guys want to see my headquarters visit, and my Instagram as well if you guys want to check that out. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.